In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to explore new functionalities, having Meta AI on WhatsApp can really enhance your messaging experience. So let's dive into the process and make sure you have this exciting feature at your fingertips. First things first, you'll need to ensure that your WhatsApp is updated to the very latest version available on your phone. This is crucial because the Meta AI feature is only available on the updated versions, and having the latest updates ensures smooth functionality and access to all features, including enhancements and bug fixes. Head over to your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if there's an update button visible, go ahead and tap it to update your app. Once your app is up to date, go ahead and open WhatsApp. Now, if you're using an Android device, you're going to look for a new icon that resembles a rainbow or a purple-blue circle. You'll find it located at the bottom right of your chat list screen, just above where you would start a new chat. If you're on an iOS device, you'll see the same icon appearing at the top right of the screen, right next to the camera icon. This icon is your gateway to accessing Meta AI. Now that you've identified where the icon is, tap on it. Upon doing so, you'll likely be greeted with Meta AI's terms and conditions. Don't worry, this is just standard procedure. Take a moment to read through the terms. Understanding what you're agreeing to is always a good idea. And once you're ready, go ahead and accept them. Once the terms are accepted, you can start engaging with Meta AI just like you would with any other contact in WhatsApp. Feel free to ask questions, request information, or even test out image generation. For those of you who love being creative or need help visualizing something, you can use the command imagine followed by the prompt of your choice. Let your imagination run wild and see what Meta AI can create for you. Now, if you're part of a group chat and want to use Meta AI, you don't need to exit the chat. You can simply activate Meta AI by typing @Meta AI followed by your question or prompt. This makes it convenient to engage with Meta AI while in conversation with others, keeping everything seamless. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to start exploring what Meta AI has to offer on WhatsApp. Whether it's assistance, creativity, or just having a bit of fun with AI, you now have a tool within your messages to do all that and more. Enjoy your new tech companion.